Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely high specification Mercedes C-Class diesel sport, finished in metallic black, front park distance control, very rare tilt side panoramic roof, privacy glass to the rear, smoke chrome alloy wheels, rear park distance control, rear spoiler. Look at that paintwork, absolutely floppy, metallic black. And in lovely condition. Great value for money. Car looks half the miles and drives. Got the AMG carpet mats, boot protector. It's an electric boot operation. Full leather interior, white stitch piping. Burmeister speakers. This really is a high spec car. Electric memory seats, heated seats, Burmeister speakers, electric windows, electric mirrors. Seats are all in absolutely lovely condition. Auto headlights. Just start the car up. See if I can get the mileage up. Anyway, do that in a minute. It's got satellite navigation, DAB radio, media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, different driving styles, comfort, sport, dynamic, centre armrest, SD card and USBs, tilt side panoramic roof. Very, very rare on one of these indeed. Paddle shift on the gearbox. At DJH, we're saying it's a mileage 116,909. At DJH, with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty, and part exchange. For requiring further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.